Konnichiwa, guys. I'm Yoshie. Am I YouTuber? Am I? Today's I received like a Nama J2 Nama juicer. I wanna do like a unboxing. Sound YouTuber. Here, alright. Okay. The box Nama. Yes, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Come in here. How to do that? Like unboxing is more like maybe the small one, the marshmallow, but yes. Open the book. Oh, heavy man, heavy. This is quite heavy. Oh yes, look at that. Pretty box. Yes, so many fruits. Nice. Nama J2. Actually, I live in the New Zealand, and I ordered the what is it? Maybe the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoon here, and 3 days. Yes, the website said from 3 days to 5, so it's nice. Yeah, here. The open here, like a bottom. This guy. And then I had like a old juicer, and that's like a make huge mess, and I don't like that. And I was using the newest nice juicer, and then I found so many stuff over there, like Ninja one, and then Guy something one, and then the why I choose Nama. So many. Yes, I like it. A warm welcome from namaworld.com. Actually, this is like my my favorite Joe Cross. He's like a well-known the documentary movie Fat Chick Nearly Dead. That guy. What inside? Smoothie strainer. And this guy. Oh, that guy. And then the make this juicer. So that's promising, right? Chambers quick start guide. Okay. And this guy quite heavy, man. This guy quite heavy. Base. Yes. Juice container, that's important. Okay. Pusher cleaning brush. And I love this box. I will keep this box here. I like it. We're here to help support namaworld.com. Yeah, if something happening, I will ask you to help. Thank you, Nama. I don't know the why called Nama, but actually like in Japanese, Nama means raw, and then Joe Cross like sushi, and then I wonder is that something Japanese, like a nama means raw. Okay, let's build up. I open this. This is cleaning bag. Probably not now bit. Oh no. Do you read the instruction manual type of guy? Me? No. Like a DIY DIY. Oh, like sound. Send me. Like a IKEA kind of like you buy the desk and then you build up kind of stuff and then never be right. And then this is not my work. No, this is super heavy. I need a hand, man. What is that? Like a juicer base? This guy's quite heavy, man. Ta-da! What is that? Like a juice? Okay, I made it. Oh yes, this is like a New Zealand plug. Remember, this is New Zealand plug. Don't buy any company. Okay. Next one. Next unbox. Canvas quick start guide. Okay. I don't like the sound. Okay. This guy's quite heavy too. Yes. Nice. Start here, Nama. Okay, good. Quick start. That's cute. I like it. So nice. See? Instruction manual. Nice. Proper instruction manual here. That's a proper one. Like when you try the juice and then not juice come up and then what can you do? Quick start guide. Recipe book. That's good. Oh yes. Yes. Oh yes. Recipe book. That's nice. Like vegetable guide. This is like hard vegetable, carrot, beets, ginger, medium one, melon, soft one, lemon, pineapple, kiwi, leafy. That's funny, eh? How do you put the, the leafy one, the bottom, and then soft one, and then medium one, hard one, and then push it. Wow, that's nifty. Nice. Nice. See the menu, like a recipe, morning dew, one small handful mint, small handful basil, lime, silver beet, honeydew melon, green apple. I will pick something tasty one. This should be nice. And then kiwi. This is good. Like a kiwi, 2 kiwi fruits, 2 green apple, 2 celery stick. This is nice. Yeah. Anyway, just a little bit distracted. This is like a unpacking. Unboxing video. This is great. Not that difficult. I just open it. I don't have any like a rehearsal. This is like my real unbox. So just if I don't read the instruction manual, can I do this? Yes, I did it. Guys, look. I did it. I did it. That's easy. Like I don't get anything, but just that's it. Yeah! That's it. Nice. I can start the juice now. Yes. And then again, a warm welcome from Nama. I like the company already. And then how to do that? And then what is this? I think I did build. Oh yeah, this guy take. And then again reminder, hey, leafy bottom. Alright. And then maybe I should give it rinse, right? Okay. See? Yes. That's great. And then this is like a smoothie strainer. Probably if you're not juicing, you feel more like a pulpy stuff, and maybe you can just swap this guy to this guy. Right. Oh wow, I can seriously, you don't have to worry. And I'm quite bad. For sure, I'm quite bad. I can assemble everything. And then the juice container. Oh, this is nifty. Juice container, and half cup. Oh, here. Juice container. Yeah, I will give a little bit of length everything. And then this is purple. Goodbye pulp. And actually, like I already did it like 3 days juice fasting, and then the old juicer gave me so much pulp, and then I don't want to get rid of that, just to throw it away. That feeling like waste, such a waste. So now I just had the garden, and then give some pulp for my veggie garden, the compost. Yeah. Yes, I'm so motivated. I highly recommend Nama J2, and this is great and amazing. I will rinse it and I will use it later. Okay, unbox video. Thank you. Bye.